Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 12th episode about JavaScript Basic. In the previous episode, we converted string and number. Today, we'll work on Boolean data type. So first, open your text editor and open the tool folder Boolean variables. Open start and main.js. So Boolean will return either true or false. First, let's work on true data type. So create a variable saved and assign them to true. To check them in console, use console.log saved. To check the preview, open the site. Open the developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You will see true over here. If you want to see its type, you can write type of. Refresh the page again and you will see Boolean data type over here. Now let's work on false data type. So create a variable called not saved and assign them to false. To check them in console, you can use console.log not saved. Refresh the page and you will see false over here. Now let's work on one last thing, that is to flip the data type. If it is true, we will make them false, and if it is false, we will make them true. So first, let's create a variable saved value and assign them to false. We can then write saved value equals not saved value. If you want to check them in console, you can use console.log saved value. Now, if you refresh the browser, you will see true over here. Now let's see what happens if we add true over here. Refresh the page and you should see false. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on null and undefined. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.